The tropics still very active. We're still kind of in that peak of hurricane season. We have Hurricane Lee. It is still a Cat 3 this morning. We now have Hurricane Margot. Notice moving to the north. No issues there. And then two other areas, Invest 97 and Invest 98. Now, I was looking at the data here long term for these. Not really concerned with the Gulf of Mexico for especially Invest 97, but like Lee, it kind of may follow in its footsteps here. So East Coast will watch that long term, but it is no immediate threat to anyone. But Lee is certainly something that New England and Nova Scotia keeping an eye on. It is a Cat 3. It has really grown in size. The wind speeds have not gone up, but it's grown in how big it is. And usually the bigger it grows, the harder it is for the winds to strengthen. But you can see tropical storm force winds approaching Bermuda by Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Thursday into Friday are the main impacts for Bermuda. You can see it's going to be weakening the winds at least, but look how big it gets. Just the wind field continues to grow, and then there it is moving up towards New England and into Nova Scotia by this weekend. So Saturday and Sunday, probably similar to like a nor'easter for these locations, with the core more than likely staying just offshore there in the Gulf of Maine, but still some wind and rain for parts of New England and especially up into Nova Scotia. And by the way, the next name after Lee and Margot is Nigel, and then after that it's Ophelia. So don't be surprised if we have Nigel pretty soon checked off the list there. It's been a very active season. There's our 7-day forecast. We don't have any tropical threats in there. We'll be watching for our 2-week cold fronts, the first one tomorrow and then the next one moving in as we go into the weekend. Leslie?
Peyton.